Hello guys, today let's unbox the Indiegogo Air Indiegogo version. This is the smallest Windows handheld gaming PC with an OLED screen. I am so excited about such small handhelds. We have two letters. This letter is a thanks letter from Indiegogo team. The second one is FAQ. Let's go ahead and unbox. The box feels pretty nice and high quality. The picture in front of the box actually has a real texture feeling. This is not just a printed picture. I bet the Indiegogo team paid a good amount of money for this high standard box. Let's unwrap the plastic, and it feels pretty light on hand even with the box and all the stuff inside. It has really nice resistance when I try to open the box. Let's look at the spec on the back of the box before I fully open it. So this one has AMD Ryzen 5 5516U with 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. Also, it is polar black color. Real gamers, no gamers. What a beautiful slogan. I hope that's what they can deliver to us. Finally, it is time to see this little boy's face. At the bottom area, we have different charging block adapters for different countries. This is 60 watts charging block and USB-C cable. Now let's take out the Indiegogo Air from the box. Wow, this is so small and compact. I can't believe this is a fully functional Windows device in such small form factor. It feels damn comfortable in hand. And the build quality is very good. I am going to love this thing for sure.
It's tiny. It's just like this.
Let me grab my Indiegogo Next and Steam Deck so we can check out them all together.
This is Steam Deck.
After putting all three devices side by side, you will realize how small the Indiegogo Air is. It is unbelievable how small this thing is compared with a Steam Deck and Indiegogo Next.
This is so small.
It's so beautiful and compact. I will call this a truly pocket handheld gaming PC.